Hello and welcome. My name is Bashir Fadl, and on behalf of LearnITCoursesOnline.com, as well as LearnJobsOnline.com, I'd like to thank you. We do know that you have a variety of choices of IT training, and you've chosen us, so we really appreciate that and hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. In this session, we're going to continue talking about object relationships in Salesforce. And we're going to talk about how to create many-to-many relationship in Salesforce application and what is M-to-M or many-to-many relationship. In many-to-many relationship, one record of one object is linked to multiple records of another object and vice versa. So how do we create many-to-many relationships in Salesforce? We don't have any many-to-many relationship field in Salesforce. So we create many-to-many relationship by creating two master detail relationships with a common junction object. So a junction object is the key term used while creating many-to-many relationship. In Salesforce, a junction object is a custom object which is used to link one instance of a record to many child records and many child records to one record equally. For example, the relationship between a company and customer is many-to-many relationship because a company could sell a product to multiple customers and a customer can purchase a product from multiple companies. So now we're going to start creating a many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. Before creating an M-to-M relationship in Salesforce, first we have to create a junction object. So let's start by creating a junction object. To create a junction object in Salesforce, we have to go to Setup, and then click Build, and then Create, and then Objects, and then New. Or simply go to Setup, and then search for Objects, and click on New. Click on the New button to create a new object. Then we need to enter the label name and plural label as shown, and then we click Save. So in this example, we're going to create a many-to-many relationship between an invoice object and a pharma product object. As already we have created a junction object pharma product invoice to establish many-to-many relationship between the pharma product, which is the parent object, and the junction object with its child object, and then the invoice object, which is the other parent object, and the junction object being the child object. As we can see, we have created a master detail relationship in child object, which is the junction object. Here we have created multiple invoices to one product and multiple products to one invoice. So in many-to-many relationship, Invoice 1 is associated to multiple pharma products, and one pharma product is associated to multiple invoices. With this, we come to the end of this session, and we'd like to thank you for joining us. And also, don't hesitate to visit our website at LearnITCoursesOnline.com to leave your feedback and reviews. And also look at our events. We have a lot of free sessions, and we'd be more than happy to have you join at any given time, and also sign up with us for our newsletter. Thank you and have a wonderful time.